Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI, and my bedroom just got a major upgrade with this gorgeous king bedding set from MaiRêve. I'm so in love with this beautiful sage green color set. This set came with everything you need to fit your entire bed. It came with this beautiful crinkle comforter, and it came with the two matching pillow shams, as well as this beautiful decorative pillow. And the sheets are absolutely fantastic. They came with the two king-size pillowcases and a top and fitted sheet. And what's so cool about these sheets is they have pockets. I thought that was the coolest little detail. Was on both sides of the bed, there is a pocket sewn in to the fitted sheet. I think it is so cool because I love to have earplugs nearby at night in case I can't sleep, and I'm always worried about losing them in the bed. So I love that these sheets have the ability for me to just tuck my earplugs right in the side of the bed, and I know exactly where they are in the middle of the night. So if you're looking for a new bedding set, then I definitely think you should give this one a try. It is so beautiful and comfortable, and I really love it. I think you're going to too. And that is my point of view.